I'm Genesis, I'm 19 years old, and I'm here today to talk about video games. So, the topic of this video is it's a video game world. And the purpose of this video is to answer the questions that you are watching in your screen right now. So, let's start with the first one. Some people say that video games are a waste of time. Do you agree or disagree? I am partially agree and disagree at the same time because I think that it depends of the type of video game that you are playing. For example, if you have been playing a video game for so many days and you spend so many hours playing that video game and the ending of that game is just absurd, absolutely ridiculous. It doesn't make any sense and the ending is just not related in any way to the storyline. You feel like you waste your time. It's like I spend so many hours playing this trash and this is the ending. It's like absolutely stupid. But I also think that video games can be very fun and beneficial for people too. Perhaps one of the reasons why people think that playing video games is a waste of time is because they have this toxic idea that you have to be doing something useful all the time. And for them something useful or an useful activity is when you are doing something that is related to academic field or work field, and therefore when you are doing something for just for fun to entertain yourself, they think that you are wasting your time because you are doing something useless. How do you think video games affect students? Well, I think that it can have a positive effect in students when they are playing an educational video game. You know, for example, there is a video game called Adaptive Mind, which is about teaching kids how to do math but in English. So for example, when you are playing and they want you to start to count in English, they bring a monster, for example, and the monster has many eyes. So they ask you, how many eyes does the monster have? So you have to choose, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those kind of video games can be very advantageous for them because they are learning maths and English at the same time. And well, I will say that video games can have negative effects in students when they are playing a video game that has too graphic material about things that they should not watch. Do you believe that people play video games as a way of escaping from problems or bad feelings? Yeah, I do think so. Due to, since playing video games is an activity that you can do in your leisure time. When you do something that you really like, you just forget all the bad things that are happening to you. So, of course, that is a way in which you can escape from your problems. But that is not necessarily bad, because at the end, everyone needs an activity that they enjoy doing it. That's all. Thank you very much.